So how to fix invisible zip? The English invisible zip, the small head. This is the front of the zip now. You know, if you open it like this, when to sew it, you have to sew at the back like this. There is a space in between the zip and this extra allowance here by the side. So you have to push it and sew on the line here. But because when you push it out, this teeth will always come back to close the space. So I come up with this technique how to fix a perfect invisible zip. So I use my iron to iron it to make it flat. I see now. So if I iron it like this, see this part now is flat. So I will keep ironing it like that all through. Make sure you don't burn the teeth of the zip with your iron. I will open it all because it's a long gown. So I'm going to fix all the zip. So as you can see, the teeth is flat now. I will now fix it. Let me move to the machine. So you pick your zipper like this. Now if you zip it close, you will have this look because of the ironing. I see now. So you pick your zipper. This is the front. You allow the front to face the dress like this, and you open it all through because it's a long zip. So the zipper allowance that I have here is 1 inch. This part here is 1 inch. This side I can take up to 1/4 of an inch because I've already turned the allowance here, or 1.5. So if you want this hook to show, you just place the hook. I'll still hem the neck, so I'll place the hook in a way that if I turn the neck, the hook will show. You can place it. Sometimes I don't even use the hook. I'll just push it out. I'll just push it out like this. See the hook? See where I'm starting from? I don't really need the hook. So I'll place my machine like so. And sew exactly on that line. There is a guideline close to the teeth. If you watch closely, you will see it. There is a guideline here. So you just follow that line like this and keep sewing. Now it's very easy because of the ironing. Just keep moving. When you get to this joining, anywhere that has a joining, you don't sew this invisible zip very tiny. Just create a small space so that you can zip it freely. Anywhere that you have a joining on your dress, don't bring it too close like this other side. I can just shift my hand a little. It's very simple. So you see the zipper now. Now how to fix the second side. You pick this one like this. This is my own method to fix invisible zip or zip perfectly on a dress. So this joining now, the yoke line, I'll just go ahead and mark chalk on the zip like this. That is to show that this is the line. On this joining, the half length joining, I'll go ahead and mark chalk like this on the zipper. Then this line, this starting line, I'll go ahead and mark chalk like this. Then I will pick the second back, place the line together like so, and come to this ending part. I'll just pick it like this, push it out, and mark my line on the dress. This is where my zip will start from. Then I can now open it like so and start the zip from this line. Okay, I will also mark chalk on the zip here, this point, so that when I open it, I will pick this chalk and place at this one to know that it's my starting point. I'll check the line properly. As I'm sewing, I'll be checking this other line. I'll keep checking the line, the chalk that I mark. Now when I get to this joining, I will release my hand a little to create small space to zip perfectly. I'll keep checking the line, this one now, the chalk. Then I'll keep checking this one also. So I can now turn the zip now to the front and close it to check the work. So you see the line, they are together, the both joining is together. This one is together, the yoke line and the upper part. So this is how you fix your invisible zip perfectly. So close the down part now. I'll just pick the allowance like this, push the zip out. This is my thread now at the zip line. So I will come up by ½ inch and sew close to the thread. Just run it down like so. You have different method of fixing it, but most time I like using this method. Then you see this allowance, you can lap it. If you leave it like this, see, because of the lace mouth is showing at the front, you can just flip it this way, V shape. Are you seeing now? Make sure you lap it in a way that it will not show in front. Stitch thread on top. And just run thread on top like this. The same thing to this side, you flip it this way to the back. So it's better this way now. The next thing to do is to iron the zip, the allowance inside, to make it neat. Zip like this. When you finish sewing, you turn to the front also. So you see how neat the zip is. Thank you.